Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the new Canon R50 camera, mirrorless camera. Let's go. Let's open the big box using this arrow over here. Well, easy to open. Let's go. Oh yeah, nice. Wow, this is the EOS R50 Canon camera. And let's see. Cool. Okay, let's open. If you like the content of the channel, please subscribe. It's free. Click the like button and share. Pretty good. Manual. Perfect. Let's open here. Okay, cool. Okay, strip bands. Perfect. Oh, the charger. Nice. Okay. Well, the charger for one battery. I mean, okay, cool. Let's go. Okay, the cable for the charger. Cool. Ooh, the battery. Nice. This is small. Well, pretty small, the battery. Yeah. Let me see. Because, well, it seems that it's supposed that with this kind of battery you can take around 300 or 25 photos or something like that. 1, 2, come on, finally. Oh, with a cover. Okay, to protect the battery. And this battery, well, doesn't have too much power, but yeah, around 320 photos. And yeah, the start of the show, the camera. Wow, it's pretty small. Nice. Yeah. Pretty small camera. Let me see. Wow, nice camera. Look at that. Oh yeah. The people on the internet says that the handle is small, or is not like something that is how they say, easy to grab, but I don't think so. Look, with one hand. Wow, the weight is perfect. I mean, it's very light. Well, look at this. You put your finger here, the grip, well, I can reach the shooter, the button here. At the same time, let me see if you can see it. I can hold the camera with one hand, click, shot the button, and I think that is okay. And of course, the screen. Okay, nice. Oh, the screen rotate. Cool. Pretty cool. If you want to, shot a video blog or something. Okay, rotate and comes here. Okay. What else? Of course, the objective over here. Move it. Nice. Okay. Come on. This is the objective that comes with the camera. Nice. Alright. We open like this. Cool. One cover from one side, and you push this like this at the same time. Look at this. Very nice. Let me secure this again. Yep. Perfect. So let's open here this like this. Wow, pretty nice. Remove this. We need to align this red dot with this one like this. Click. Do you hear the sound? The click with the jet tip. The weight, pretty nice. Okay, we have over here cards and battery. It's like this. And what is that? It's a okay. It's something to secure the me see, it's supposed that is like this. Yep, click, perfect. Okay, close and lock. Let's open this again, and turn on button is, the button is here. Okay, on. Wow, yeah, cool. Touch screen, of course, and the date is works like this. For example, if I do this, oh yes, cool, this is like a joystick. Okay, so today is, let me see, yep, 20, 23, 24, 25, well, 25 today of, let's set up this, April. Oh, the time, okay, the time, let's set up everything, let's do this together, because this is the first time. Nice, wow, pretty easy. Okay, take a moment to connect the camera with your smartphone. Okay, from a smartphone pair using Bluetooth, you can control the camera. Nice. Next, once the camera is paired, stay connected even when off. To start communication, set the airplane mode in the mobile phone, not in the camera, because this camera have airplane. Oh, let me scan the code. Cool, pretty nice. Alright, we open the program, the Canon program. After scanning the QR code, we select the model, connect using Bluetooth, and after that is already connected. So we can control the shooter, we have an editor for the raw images, even the images on the cloud, some functions, but let's check something very important. That first, I'm going to turn off the camera again, because we missed something very important. That is, let me open, look at this, easy to release over here, battery. We need to put an SD card in this position, like this. Yep, in this position, and again the battery in this position with the indication of this battery, of course, with the logo of Canon logo looking over there. So again, click and lock. Nice. Open again. Turn on the camera. Now set the lens to the shooting position. The shooting position is this. Do you see these small dots here? So we push a little bit harder, and that's it. It's open. As you can see, it's open. And now, well, to switch the assist feature, tap the button. Okay, nice. Now it's ready. Yeah, I know. To apply some effect. Yes. Okay. And let me locate the button here. This is the button for the photos. Again here. Okay. Yes, we have a picture. Other. Nice. And let me move, manual move. Okay. Whoa, oh, zooming. Nice. Over here, and the button. So, well, it's just matter of, just to, let me move this, the button. It's just matter to grab the camera here and, well, almost reach the button with this finger. So, well, with one hand, it's going to be something like this. Yep. And what happens if I hit this button? If I press the button, I keep it. Oh, all right. Only one shot. So it's a matter of some configuration too, or quickly pushing the button with the finger, like shooting a lot of pictures. Okay, nice. Now let me reach the menu, because I need something very important that is around this icon. Looks like a tool. Yes, this one. Well, we can move through the menus using this. This actually is like a small joystick or something. Formats the card. Okay, all the data will be lost. Yep. Okay. Wow, that is fast. Oh, wow. Yep, that is pretty fast. Okay, and the menu button disappear again. So let me grab the camera. Okay, I locate the button. Look. Yep, nice. Easy to use. As you can see, this is the first time that I'm using this kind of camera, but it's quite easy to use. Yep, this other one, the recording. So let me grab again. This is, wow, a little bit more complicated because I'm grabbing this. Okay, for the photos, yes, nice, but wow, complicated with one hand. It's getting complicated because while I'm doing this, grabbing the camera and pushing these other buttons with this part of the hand. So yeah, to try to reach the recording button, it's going to be complicated. I need two hands. Yeah, now is recording. Okay, yep. This is something that we need the two hands. Yeah, because I need to hold the camera with this hand, pushing the button. But for photos, yep, quite easier. Yeah, pretty nice response. By the way, caution. Here, this part can be very hot, so careful. I'm not going to touch that. But yeah, it's something that we need to, use to grab the camera in this position and shoot it. Yeah. Actually, I think that I keep pushing these other buttons, but doesn't happen anything. Nice, because imagine if I try to take a picture and I push all this button and something happen. By the way, what happens if I intentionally push this button? Nothing. Okay. Well, yeah, something happened here. More info on the screen, less info. Okay, and this one. But oh, okay. Wow, look at that. Nice, but this is digital? This is digital? Very good question. Because I'm pushing this button, nothing happened, but this one, the info on the screen disappeared. Okay, nice. But this one here, that is supposed, that is the magnifier. No, I'm pushing the button, nothing happened. One click, nothing happened. But let me grab here if I do this. But good question, is digital? Because I don't see any movement. Yep, on the objective, nothing happened. All right, but if manually, yeah, okay, this is physical movement. Okay, I think that this is digital. Yeah, this is digital. This button, cool. Now I'm connecting using the Wi-Fi, so let me connect to the camera using the Wi-Fi connection. It's connecting to the camera. Let me put the camera here. Okay, allow. Well, of course, Wi-Fi super fast. Nice. I can see the picture. Oh, what's that? Send to smartphone after shot. Interesting. Wi-Fi settings. Well, no error here. Wi-Fi settings, communication, blah blah blah. All right. Well, send to the smartphone after the shot, but I think that this is going to take some battery resources, so well, I need to configure that. Yeah, but okay, it's already connected. So what else we can do here? Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, pretty nice. Wow. It's super fast. Wow, this camera, pretty nice. And well, for the price, it's okay. Ooh, information of the location, interesting. So, other feature is this one. This is for the external microphone or external flash. But this camera, okay, yes, this is the cover, and the connector is proprietary. So yeah, we need to, if we want to use another flash or another microphone, different microphone, we need to buy an adapter. But yeah, let's see, open, and this is the flash, the integrated flash. pretty easy to open, like this, just like that. Very nice. Cool. Well, we have a button to control the ISO, the shooter. Let me move over here. What is this button? What's the button for? Nothing. Nothing happened. Okay, nothing happened. Well, this is for the to secure the camera with the strap. Oh, of course, super important, this part, the USB-C and the HDMI. Nice. Actually, the street is from here to here. Nice, cool. So, guys, this is the quick unboxing of this pretty nice camera. I think that is, yeah, for the price and the quality of the construction. I think that is pretty good. Yeah. Well, the microphone here, I think that I mentioned before. If not, let's check this out quickly. So, jack connector, external microphone, but also remember you can connect another microphone here or another flash if the integrate flash is not enough for you. And this is important, to disconnect the objective. If I try to move it now, but look, a release button here, that's easy to. We need to use this cover to protect. Remember, super important to protect the camera lens and this big one and this other one, using this. Very important to protect all the objectives of the camera. But let me tell you that the camera is lighter, doesn't weight too much, easy to use, because, well, I don't know anything about this kind of camera, and well, we managed to take some pictures, so I'm connected to the mobile phone, so cool. This is all the content of the camera. There is nothing else over here. No, it's empty, so it's important to buy, if you are planning to take more pictures, to buy a secondary battery. Cool. Let me charge the battery. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, it's free. Hit the like button, share the video, and remember, see you on the next video.